Running versus Japanese walking. Which burns more fat after 30? Hey, if you are running every day but your belly fat is not moving, then this video might hurt your ego. Because today we are comparing running versus Japanese walking, and one of them is silently winning for fat loss. And to know which one is good for you, watch this video till the end, because both take same time but give different results. So let's start with running, the hard worker. Running is intense. It burns more calories per minute. It improves heart health, stamina, and mental toughness. No doubt running is powerful, but here's the problem most people ignore. Study shows excessive long-distance running can raise cortisol, the stress hormone, and high cortisol means stubborn belly fat, poor recovery, hunger spikes, and sleep issues. And if you are over 30, overweight, or sleep deprived, running daily can actually slow fat loss instead of speeding it up. So, if you are running hard but fat loss is stuck, maybe the problem is not effort. Now let's talk about Japanese walking, the smart strategy. It is also called interval walking training. It looks easy, but don't underestimate it. Let's figure out how it works. 3 minutes fast walking, 3 minutes slow walking, repeat for 30 minutes. That's it. You will be surprised to know Japanese studies found interval walking improved fat loss, insulin sensitivity, and leg strength better than long steady walks, and sometimes comparable to running. Because it raises heart rate, it keeps cortisol low, it protects your joints, and it improves metabolism. And one harsh fact is, Japanese walking works with your hormones, not against them. And that's why people lose belly fat, feel less tired, stay consistent, and don't quit after 2 weeks. Now, the real debate. Running versus Japanese walking. Running. High calorie burn, high stress if overdone, higher injury risk, needs recovery and sleep. Japanese walking. Slightly lower calorie burn, much better fat loss consistency, joint friendly, easier to stick with. Well, now we can come to a conclusion that fat loss after 30 is not about going harder. It's about choosing smart movement. Now, who should do what? Choose running if you are fit, injury-free, sleep 7 to 8 hours, recover well. And choose Japanese walking if belly fat is stubborn, you are busy, knees hurt, you have tried everything. Remember, the question is not, can you run? The question is, can your body recover from it? If this video helped you to decide which is good for you, then comment below. And if you want to see more secret weight loss hacks, then watch my previous video that is popping up on your screen. See you in next video.